In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share videos through Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to your video that anyone you send it to can open and watch without needing to request access. First, upload video. In your Google Drive, click the New button, then choose File Upload. Select your video file from your computer and click Open. You can also drag and drop the video directly into the Drive window if that's easier for you. Watch the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Larger video files can take a while, so keep the tab open and connected until you see the upload complete with no errors. Once it finishes, the video will appear in your Drive with its file name, and you may see a small preview thumbnail after a moment. If you uploaded it into a specific folder, stay in that folder so you can share the correct file. Next, right-click Video, find the video you just uploaded, then right-click it to open the menu. If you have multiple versions with similar names, hover to confirm the file size or open the preview briefly to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Close the preview to return to the file list, then right-click again on the correct video. Now, click Get Link. In the right-click menu, choose Get Link. This opens the sharing panel. You'll see the current access settings and the shareable link area. If it says restricted, that means only people you explicitly add can open it, and everyone else will hit a request access page. From here, set anyone with the link. In the sharing panel, under General Access, open the drop-down that says restricted and change it to anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to view the video, and it prevents access requests and sharing delays. It does not make the video publicly searchable on the web. Only people who receive the link can open it. Take a second to confirm you're applying this to the correct file. If you see a role selector next to it, the default viewer role is usually fine, which allows people to watch without changing or removing anything. Once that's done, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation like link copied, and the link is now on your clipboard. If you accidentally close the panel, you can repeat the Get Link step and copy it again. The link is long by default, which is normal for Google Drive share links. Do not rename or move the file during this step. Wait until after you've shared it, and because moving it could change where collaborators expect to find it. At this point, send link. Paste the link wherever you plan to share it. Open your email, chat, or messaging app, click into the message body, and press paste. You can add a short note like, here's the Google Drive link to the video, so the recipient knows what it is. If you're sending it to a group, the same link will work for everyone. Before sending, quickly scan for extra spaces or characters around the URL to avoid broken links. Then send your message. Recipients can now click the link and watch the video directly in Google Drive. If they're on mobile, they can open it in the Drive app or a browser. If they're on desktop, it opens in a Drive preview window with playback controls. That's it. You've uploaded your video, set anyone with the link. I'll have to copy the share URL and send it. Your video is now shared through Google Drive, and the link will work for anyone who receives it. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.